Gotta take off the hood because he wants to install the PPE header with the 2ZZ installed.
Hey, it's lefty tighty, righty loosey, right?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
That's what he said. Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
What the hell?
Well, just from that, I trust him.
It's all good, man.
Hey man, you're nuts.
Oh, we still have to transfer the rubber boot for the fork.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, I'll do that right now. It doesn't matter.
That, bro.
C1.
Oh, is it cut?
Oh, it went back down the ground.
Wait, are we removing the hood, dude? Or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally. Let's see if I can focus. Yes. Bolt went right through. Rear mount is on.
Some eBay specials.
Alright, so.
For motor mounts.
Yeah, you gotta lower the engine now. Since the back one's already slowly though.
It's all you, buddy.
Which way do you want it in? This way or this way?
It goes in.
Which nut?
It goes in this way,
Okay,
and
done.
then the nut goes over
Alright,
here.
cool.
I mean, you can like come stand over here. I don't know if you.
I want to see where it comes out.
Rookie.
Before I.
Stop. Good.
Jack up the transmission some more.
Hold on, dude. Stop. Don't stop.
Lower just a little bit.
Lower the engine. Lower the engine. Just a little bit, dude. There you go. There you go. There you go. Jeebus. He got it. He got it. He got it.
About to use my door hammer.
Yeah.
Nice. Two.
People to put an engine mount in. Makes sense.
All right, now let's do that one, which is the
Let's
other.
tighten this one.
Clayton, what's going on?
I can't remember.
What do you got going on right there? What are you installing?
Dented runners.
Dented runners. It's all good, people. We're just gonna put the runners for now, just to make sure the engine's running right, and then later on, maybe in a month, after he's got the engine properly running, we're gonna install the supercharger. But AC compressor's on. Engine mounts are on. Oh. All the wiring on the top is also installed. We're just gonna bolt up the intake and all the necessary components. Oh, starter's on. Shift boot is installed improperly.
He didn't take it out yet. He didn't rip it out yet.
He didn't rip it out yet.
I think he wants you to rip him a new one.
Whoa, man, content creator here, man. I gotta keep it PG.
Okay.
Installing the alternator, or as they like to call it, the generator, because it generates energy, right?
That's only in Europe, man.
Oh boy, here we go. Just like tires is spelled with Y, right?
Exactly.
Oh
Color
man.
with a U.
And now you're working on the bonnet.
The bonnet.
Yeah, the bonnet part of the car.
The 2ZZ engine. I'm gonna get flamed on the comments. God damn. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, Celica.
Yeah, that's proper actually.
Okay.
They're gonna be like, oi, bro, you can't be saying that, chap.
Hold, oi, mate.
Oi, blimey.
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. Don't blame me in the comments, guys. I'm sorry.
Blame him.
No.
Be like Travis Scott.
Anyways, I got the loser. Anyways, I got the hard line for the
Did you put
clutch.
down the petrol injectors?
Oh my god.
No, mommy sweet.
Brand new Mishimoto.
Yeah.
Damn, son.
So why Mishimoto over Koyorad? That's the question I was just asking.
I don't know. Clayton bought it.
I got a good deal on it. That's about it.
Okay, that's fine. Do you know where Mishimoto is made?
Or Japan. I don't know.
Let's see. Made in But
It says it says on the top, doesn't it? Look, there's a tag right here. Does it say? Or is it just
Lifetime Mishimoto. I'm not tripping. I'm not here to like.
Anyways, hard line for the slave. I'm installing them right now while he's installing the alternator. Already installed the intake manifold. What else? And I think that's about it for now. We're just tying up everything.
Buttoning it up. Why not? You button up the bonnet.
All right. God.
And everything.
No, the slave. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how it runs. Clayton, you're missing a bracket, I believe. Maybe it's on the transmission, the old one. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, the bracket's right there. So I gotta grab that bracket, and that's what holds this right here, so it doesn't flex that much. And that's it for now, because we're gonna go eat, because we're hungry.
And we're gonna pick up supplies too.
Actually, you should probably put the dipstick in there. Where is it at?
Oh, right in front of your face.
Oh.
No, the dipstick. You look in the mirror. That's where it is.
Ha,
You look in that side view mirror where it says objects are always losing.
Jeez.
Oh.
Cringe.
Gotta go.
He got the alternator hooked up. Looks like everything's plugged in.
You want to recharge your light while we're out? Just in case.
I got mine's charging. I got the heater hoses hooked up. I basically got everything already hooked up over here. It's just putting the battery tray, the ECU box,
The coolant lines,
the radiator, and putting oil, and we should be able to start it. Oh, I guess installing the intake, but that's easy. Break time. This is the best stuff for C60. I know it says GM and Chrysler, but it's quality. Here, this is what you need. 2 of these. Anti-Chrysler.
What about oil though?
It's cheaper at Walmart, and we still need to go get the coolant from Walmart. Yeah, because this is the one I get from. I get this for $22 at Walmart. Yeah.
So it's always.
I mean, we're going in there anyways that way. So.
Walmart has OEM filters.
Well, every year have a filter on it.
Oh really? After banging it up and onto the thing,
Oh
AC
my
condenser.
God. Do we need anything? I don't think we.
Spark plugs?
Yeah, just go ahead and go get that.
Hose clamps.
We don't know what size, do we?
That's them in your car. They're this size.
You bastard.
No. I'm being
You
serious,
bastard. Oh my God, what a POS. Carbon fiber, self-adhesive carbon fiber look film.
Mayan mint.
Mayan mint, damn man.
That's some Cusco.
Cusco.
Peru?
Oh, that's messed up. Demonetized city. This is the cringe section.
Ooh, look at this.
You know what? I'm gonna put this in my XRS, man. I'm gonna put this in my XRS. Or what? Be a little bit more patriotic. I think.
Man, don't tread on me. With this real train.
No. Honda.
Hey.
I hate that place now. Clayton, why do you swear so much in my videos?
I learned from my mentor.
What?
Nothing.
Oh my God. Justin. Why does Clayton swear so much in my videos?
It's the teenage angst. It's a sign of rebellion. I think it's a cry for help.
A cry for help. I went out of the 2ZZ game.
Oh no. Damn, I thought I was fat.
I didn't eat shit today.
Bro. Damn, I thought I was fat.
Hey, leftovers.
This is what I got. Bernie fries and an animal cookie shake. Justin got a burger that he hasn't touched. Why haven't you touched it?
Keeping it OEM, man.
Keeping it OEM. Did they call you OEM Justin in high school?
Thank you, Dor. I really appreciate
Oh
it.
my god. So we got back. Clayton's on the floor, like always.
What the hell?
He's installing the axles. He already had got the passenger or driver side. He's finishing up the passenger side. Had some good lunch or dinner with at midnight at Bernie's with Justin. Thank you.
Justin?
Yeah, shout outs to Justin. He came out, hanged out with us. I actually didn't think he was gonna wrench, but he actually did put some hand into this project. So if this project runs, give him a good shout out. I'm confident. I'm confident this will work. As I said, an engine that was involved in an accident, and if the fuse box just goes kaboom, I'm pretty sure the engine will just stop. So there's no reason for this engine to not work. It might run poorly if we don't have something properly connected, but I mean, if it's knocking, then we're gonna know it's bad. But let's just hope it doesn't knock, or it sounds like it's having a misfire, because we know how misfire sounds like.
This might have been an entire Celica life.
Well, not when you had your GT.
Well, I know, but I mean, that just had an evap. Check engine light. Oh, my entire life I've known check engine lights.
Wow, that's a sad feeling.
I know.
Yeah. So I already put 5 quarts of Valvoline high mileage oil. I pulled out the spark plugs right here, and these spark plugs actually look really, really good. They look like they've been probably run for like maybe 1,000 miles or so. Not even that much. Look, they're really clean. Focus. There we go. Yeah, they're really clean. So Clayton could save these other spark plugs that he bought for some other project, or I don't know. I guess if he wants to put them on, that's up to him. But these spark plugs look really good. So pulled off the injectors because we're gonna crank it for at least, I want to say at least a good 15 seconds. 3 intervals of 5 seconds, because if you keep just going at the starter, you're gonna burn out the starter and probably overheat it. So I'm gonna do it in 5-minute or 5-second intervals. We're having a slight issue with the Mishimoto radiator, because this part right here, I don't know if this is because it's an aftermarket mount or a GT mount, but it's hitting right here. So if anything, I might tell Clayton to just grab the one off the Blue Tsunami, or I was thinking we could probably trim it, but at this point it's really late already, so I'm probably just gonna tell him to pull off the one from the Blue Tsunami so we can
These are like
get this project out of here, because I don't know, it seems too late. I don't think you should take it out today, but that's up to you. That's your decision.
Depends.
I mean, if your brother offered for you to stay at his place, I think you should just come in the morning and finish up, since you're not working this week because because he was being a giblet head. We'll put it at that. Oh,
Firecrackers.
firecrackers are gunshots. All right, let's finish up. Go for 5 seconds.
Just say when, okay?
5 seconds, dude. Just whenever.
Three, two, one.
All right. Wait wait like 10 seconds. Do it again for another 5.
Do again?
Yeah.
Wait 10 seconds?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pistons are going up and down.
Tell me when.
Go for it. Doesn't sound good.
Is there a check engine light?
What do you mean is there a check engine light?
I mean, because like all four are on. The lights, the brakes, the battery, the check engine light, and the motor oil.
Try and turn it on.